Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust teams and transfer players in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, just go to Creation Center, and here we gotta look for the option Edit Rosters. Select that, go to Manage Players, and here you should be able to see the players from your favorite team. You can also hold down LT on Xbox or L2 on PlayStation to change the team, like this. Besides that, you can hold down RT or R2 to filter it out by position. So you can select the player, you can release this player, you can trade it, or you can also edit the player, which is quite interesting. Then if you want to know how you can trade players, or you can say transfer players, then you gotta go to the option trade players. Right here you can select the trade away or trade for. So here you need to select the player. So let's say I would like to go for this one, Dawkins, and I would like to trade him with, let me change the team. I'll select Eagles, and I would like to trade that player with Carter. And to start the trade, we just need to press the option button, select yes, and that way we'll able to trade players or transfer players. To save this, just hit the back button, select the option save changes. Right here you can simply name your file. I'll simply name it ER and save this. So yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you're able to adjust teams or transfer players in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.